Devendra Fadnavis has spoken out on this Sanjay Gaikwad slapping video, calling this behavior unacceptable and not honorable for anyone. He's also said that Gaikwad's action as an MLA has tarnished the reputation of all legislators. This is the statement that has been given by Devendra Fadnavis on this issue. Vidya joins me live on this story. Vidya, now Devendra Fadnavis has made a statement. Is the government taking any action? Is there any follow-up on what this video shows?
Certainly, the Chief Minister condemning this entire incident comes as a relief. But technically, if you look at it, the government hasn't really taken any action. There is no instructions that the police has received to register the case on their own, because clearly the complainants, those people who are beaten up, are not coming forward to register the case. The police, in fact, at this point also saying that it is a matter between the complainants and the MLA. Either someone from the complainants themselves, the persons who have been beaten up, they themselves, or someone from the canteen, someone should come ahead and register the case. In this case, no one is really coming forward, and so they're really, their hands are tied. It's something that's what they are saying. However, in this, there are many cases that people have seen wherein the police on their own registers FIR and takes the case forward. Whether the Mumbai police will really do something like that, or the Chief Minister does really send out a stronger signal, send out a stronger message. Does he ask the police to register the case? Well, we really have to see on that, but no such move as of now has really taken place.
All right, thank you for that, Vidya. We will be keeping a very close eye on what happens, especially since there is a video that has come out clearly where the MLA is beating up